Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And today we're working on not the 235, the 328. So we got everything in the mail. Pretty much, which we didn't go to the mail. We ordered everything from BMW. We just wanted to go pick it up. So I have everything that we should be able to assemble the front end and at least take this car. We might be able to drive it. It doesn't have an intake. So we might try to put like a cone on there or something just to get it to drive. We'll see what we can do, but we do want to drive it or at least drive it up into the garage or something so we can work indoors. It's been sitting out here for a little bit and it's been kind of a pain in the booty. But before I get into that, I just want to shout out a few of you guys who purchased the decals to support the build. So huge shout out to Dominic White, thank you so much. We got Joey Rodriguez, so I'm pretty like Joey and George Rodriguez. So I don't know how that works, but shout out to both of you guys. I think it's George Rodriguez. No, it's Joey. Joey Rodriguez that always supports every single build. So shout out to you, my guy. Thank you guys so much for purchasing the decals. If you guys want to be shout out in the next episodes of the 328, make sure to pick up a decal down below. That'd be amazing. My brother would be very much appreciated. And we just want to say a huge shout out to everyone. I'm gonna have everyone's names right here that went down to Keys Motorsports channel and showed them our love. He reached out to me and he told me, he's like, I saw you guys, I saw your subscribers, reaching out to me. I appreciate it. So I appreciate you guys for supporting me, making my bond with Keys Motorsports even better. So I can actually bring you guys more content, and at the same time, my brother's car can get done faster. So everything's a win-win. So shout out to everyone that's all over the screen right now. Love y'all so much. And I was going through the comments yesterday, and you guys are probably wondering why these two cans are here. I was going through the comments. You guys really like how the wheels turned out. You guys see, it's pretty glossy. I mean, it came out pretty good. And normally when I do my rims, it's pretty ugly. So what we ended up doing is that we used 60 grit and then 200 grit. After that, we went ahead and did one coat of flat black primer. And then we went ahead and did 2 coats, or 2 to 3 coats of gloss, I think black primer, I'm not sure, just gloss, yeah, black plus primer. And that's pretty much it. Ended up being super sick. I did order some center caps, so we're gonna have some carbon fiber center caps there, carbon fiber there, carbon fiber in the hood and the trunk. And guess what? We ordered a lot of carbon fiber pieces for the car, from lips to spoilers to mirrors, all kinds of stuff. It's all coming in the mail. But yeah, super excited for all that stuff to get here. But without further ado, I'm pretty sure you guys are excited to see the 328 come together, so let's get into it. So what did you get from BMW today, Leo?
I just took it out of the box. BMW has really nice packaging, but I already ruined it for you guys. I was too excited. Little Christmas present. So this one, it comes with the sensor. It's a hood latch, actually.
This is the one that we found that was ripped. So, yeah, it looks good. Isn't that the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the one.
So this is the right side, I believe.
Yeah, it's right side. Perfect. Okay, so that's, and we just found out, honestly, from pictures. I'll put a picture right here how super we are. This actually goes on top. So, lesson learned, whatever. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get all the pieces so we can start assembling probably headlight supports first, right, Thea?
Yeah.
Headlight supports, awesome. Let's do that, and then we'll go ahead and put the radiator in the condenser, and we'll have to see more about the fluids and the antifreeze and all that stuff in a little bit. Also, I read you guys' comments saying how the horn, the vibration will make my screw come out of place. So what we're gonna do probably, let's see, yeah, the screw's sticking out a little bit. I'm gonna bend that screw and figure out a way to make sure that screw doesn't come out, because you guys are mentioning, and I read the comments, don't worry, and you guys are saying that the screw will vibrate out. That's why they welded it in the first place. I'm gonna go ahead and do some test fits. We're gonna get the screws, line this up properly, show you guys all that right now. And we are back in action, guys. Look at that. All right, so let's just say both frames are aligned. Don't worry about how we did it. We'll explain to you guys in the end of this video.
Arab style.
Little Arab style. If this worked, I'll give you guys a sneak peek. That's all we're showing you guys. So if this worked out, so far we put you guys saw that we put the bar, the radiator support, and everything lined up. Everything looks great. So honestly, we're having high hopes. So if it looks good and it works good, because right now the bar is straight, this bar looks even better. So, everything is good. So if everything is good, everything lines up, who cares? Everything is Gucci. So without further ado, we're really happy right now because we were scared that we'd have to postpone the video and take this down to a frame shop to get that worked on, but it looks like we're able to handle it. So, so what we have right now, we have the new headlight bracket in, cup in right there. Oh dear. We're gonna have to figure out how to get the cup in there. And then we have the horn, what you guys told us to do is pretty much retighten that screw and weld it, or do something to make sure that's secure. We ended up bending the screw, so you can plug in the horn right now. The horn should work. And I think we're ready right now to put the AC condenser, so let's go ahead and install that. Went ahead and just clamped that thing down so I can get this transmission out of my way, this transmission cooler. I'm trying to just fit this radiator in. Alright guys, and more OEM parts. This little piece of stupid BMW plastic cost you how much, like 30 bucks?
40 bucks.
40 bucks. Completely unnecessary. If it was a 335, I would have just been like, you don't need this, but this is a newer car, and we're trying to go all OEM. Well, honestly, that's gonna cover up all your garbage. Look at all that garbage.
It's not garbage.
It's garbage. Oh man, this looks really good. Alright, well, we got the fan hooked up, radiator sensor hooked up here. We have the transmission cooler, the fluids all hooked up, all 4 radiator hoses. 2 AC lines are hooked up. Okay, well I think at this point, for the expansion tank guys, by the way, so if you guys never removed an expansion tank, it is a pain in the booty. Just know that you have to literally just pull it up. That's like the main thing. You need to pull it up. We ended up breaking the tabs, but you just pull it up. That's it. And then it should come right on out. Ours is a little bit bent back, so we had a little bit of a problem trying to pull it out, so we broke the tabs and then took it out. But if you guys don't know how to take it out, you already know. Alright guys, so I don't know what this is again as well. Probably wouldn't have bought this again. But it's some, what is this thing? I really don't even know. It's just, I don't know. But if you guys are rebuilding an F30, look into that. That's the part number you need. So that's the part number you need there. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and install this. It does need a V-brace. We ordered the V-brace because we're going all out. Let's go ahead and install this bad boy. There's some tabs that you're supposed to use for these guys right here. So we're gonna go ahead and click these tabs down. And we'll figure out what the hell we do with this jiggly thing. I think we're just supposed to leave this for the bumper, maybe? Yeah. I think so, right? Actually, that's a pretty solid foundation. I mean, we could have probably needed this, so these are the 2 pretty much clips that are used to hold this whole thing down. And go ahead and clip it down somehow. We're gonna go ahead and clean up all this, so we'll come back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I think that wraps it up. Me and my brother are kind of tired. We're gonna go get something to eat. I heard that maybe Taco Bell has the chalupa deal, so we might get that. We'll see. If you guys are enjoying the build, make sure to smash that like button. If you guys can get this video to 500 likes, we'll make sure no matter what to go buy all the parts and get a part 4 out ASAP. But how you liking the build so far, dude?
It's doing pretty good, but we lost someone. We lost an extension.
Oh yeah. RIP extension, Duralast, right?
Duralast extension.
Duralast extension. What's today's date? It's a big deal.
first
when you lose your tools. Oh man, whatever. Well, shit happens in life. We can't really season that. Anyways, that concludes the video. If you guys want to support the channel, be shot in the next video. Make sure to Copart decal down below. I'm getting my computer in the mail soon, so I'm going to be shipping out the decals as soon as I get my computer, so I got to print them out and all that stuff. I appreciate you guys so much, and without further ado, peace out. Remember to stay humble, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
She got me saying, yalla habibi, I need you to see me. Quit with the front and then put your guard down, girl. We know you ain't easy. She got me saying, yalla, baby. I need you to see me. Quit with the front and then put your guard down, girl. We know you ain't easy.